Hello and welcome back everyone to our another episode of Object Oriented ABAP with me Amrit. So in our previous session we discussed what is a friend class and how a friend class can access all the properties of a another friend class, right? It can be a private, it can be a protected, and it can be a public. Every property can be accessed by a friend class. So this is what we are going to see. Now, what we will do, we will practically see the implementation from global classes. We saw local classes in the previous session. Now let's try the same part in the in the global classes. So I will do the login. '24 Z first uh, friend one, or let's say normal class. It will be a normal usual ABAP class. Okay, package request. We will pass here one method display, or let's make it public. Instance, it will be public method. Second one, protected method. Instance, protected method. Then I will have a private method, so private instance, private method. Okay, let's implement this part. Okay, this one got implemented. Now let's go to protected. Protected method. And I will activate this one also. So write hello, I am protected method. Sorry, private method. Activate it. Okay. Now I will create one normal class. One friend class. So Z friend. This friend will access all the properties. So create friend class. Activate it. Class name. I will go there. Back. Friends. I will paste it here. Okay, one friend class I have added. You can see it. Do the activation. Let's get back. Now here let's write. So I will create the same method here. So friends, let's make it static, public, display friends. Okay, let's go inside that. Now here I will create the object of my friends. So data keyword hello underscore obj is equal to new keyword class name, got it, and then we will try to call each and every object. So let's see that. See, we are able to access everything here, right? Obj protected, private, activated, and execute it. Let's check this part. Friends, execute, and see this. Everything is getting executed automatically, right? We have got everything here. Same thing you can try from a normal ABAP class also, ABAP program also, Z ABAP friends, calling ABAP friend class. Now here I will call the class name, so friend class, friends, activate it, and execute it. See, same thing, we are able to call it, right? We are able to do the implementation. A friend class will have all the access of all the properties, public, protected, private, everything. They will have access of each and every stuff, each and everything here. So attribute, local variable, let's say private, LV private, let's make it static or instance only, private, integer, or let's say char 30, private attribute, activate it. Let's go to friend class method, friend, and call this one also. So hello obj is not able to call it, right? LV private is not accessible. Why? Private visibility, let's make it static. Okay, let's try now. So here we have this normal class, Z normal, and vertex things we can access, nothing. Okay, this we cannot do, right? But we can make some changes here, and what we can do is static, and let's go to methods, private method, and here I can use it. Okay, right. LV private. Now it will be done anyway. Activate this one also. Let's execute this. Yes, we are getting it. So we can do every stuff using this friend class, right? So this is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to like and share. We will see you again in the next part.